So, Mint Mobile, yeah, the prepaid phone company, now wants to be your home internet provider too. The moment I heard about it, I had to try it. I grabbed the 3-month intro offer, and a few days later, the gateway showed up. Setup was simple. Plug it in, place it near a window, and connect through the Mint Mobile app. Just skip the T-Mobile setup prompt, you don't need it. In minutes, I was online with strong signal and stable performance. Now here's the interesting part. Mint's home internet runs entirely on T-Mobile's 5G network. It's basically the same service, just managed and billed through Mint. In my speed tests, I hit around 650 megabits per second, nearly identical to T-Mobile home internet. Pricing starts at $30 per month, but you pay in advance for 3, 6, or 12 months. Bundle it with a Mint phone plan, and you save an extra $10. There's also a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. A few catches. The gateway is a loaner, you'll be charged if you don't return it, and speeds may slow after 1.2 terabytes of data. Overall, Mint's 5G internet is fast, easy to set up, and a solid deal for small households, especially if you're already a Mint customer. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with your thoughts on Mint's new service, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you next time.